Good morning, students. Class 11, Commerce and Arts, Economics. My name is Naresh Sharma. So today's topic is our types of economies. So let's start. What is economy? First of all, we having the meaning of economy. What is economy? Basically, economy means all those activity which is relating to production, consumption, distribution, right? That is called economy. So doctor, engineer, chartered accountant, advocates, cobblers, whatever they are doing, all activities are known as economic activity, right? Which is concerned with production, distribution, consumption and investment, right? Now, features of the economy. First point is our primary activities. Primary activities are those activities which are relating to the raw material, which are relating to that arrange of the product. So where from where we will arrange it, like as agriculture, mining, fishing, dairy product. These are activities are known as primary activities. Secondary activities are those activities which are relating to construction, manufacturing, right? So whatever we get from the primary sector, we that manufacture it in the secondary sector. Tertiary activities are those activities which are relating to distribution and services, right? So whatever we produce, that manufacture, or whatever we arrange raw materials from primary sector, then it is manufactured in the secondary sector. To tertiary sector, we sell it to the consumer. So on the basis of ownerships, we define activities into capitalism, socialism and mixed economy. Okay, so first of all, what is capitalism? In capitalism, there is private property and inheritance. All the property belongs to private sector, and the property comes from that inheritance means death of the head of the family. It is transferred to the legal head. Freedom of enterprise and contract. Any person can come into the contract, and any person can choose any kind of occupation. There is a freedom, so there is no any restrictions from the government side. The main motive in capitalist economy is to earn the profit. Freedom of consumption. Whatever a consumer want to consume is free to consume. Free market. In capitalist economy, there is a free market. There is no interference. Any person can enter into the market, or any person can quit from the market. Profit motive. Profit motive is the main, sole motive of the capitalist economy, just to earn the profit. They does all the work, from where they earn the profit. Class conflict. In capitalist economy, there is always find out the class conflict. Means rich class is there, poor class is there. So there is always difference between both, and rich class dominate always the poor class. Competition is always find out in the capitalist economy, because in capitalist economy, large production is there, so there is cutthroat competition. If somebody is in, for example, in production of mobile phone, so all the companies are there. So consumer has a wide option to go for any companies. Next one is socialism. Socialism means what? Where socialism, there is control of the government. All the means of production is controlled by the government, right? In socialism, there is a central plant authority which take all the decisions, what to produce, how to produce, or whom to produce. But in now scenarios, that socialist economies are very less. Next one is mixed economy. As we know that mixed economy, India is a mixed economy. Here socialism and that capitalism features are both find out. Profit is also there, and society also take into consideration all the that things. So socialism is also there. We all do all the things which is required for the society, and a profit motive is also there. So these are the various three economies which we discuss, students. So I hope that you have understood. Good luck. All the best for today.